OKFM 101.7.
Maminko lawyer Maurice Ampaw so Ghana's most handsome lawyer. Love him watching.
Minya penny, me also, my friend when you are champ, we careful.
We are Ghana's most handsome lawyer.
My jatum. I know the amount of jatum. Also, Cassa Fana.
Very
who Cassa Fana, and they know my jatum.
I want to see a quadjabao.
Now, that's it. Now, what did they say? One young, I don't know.
May I say, aye, sir, aye, Ghana Law School entry exam, see, a copy of parliament, a copy of court. Parliament directly said, Wamu Modini, now Wamunye, a year your friend is saying, Omunye students in the 499 now Wamun Fag Wamu, a more admission. A coba ya fedi almost I say, go for the dummy, and to me, and ya Wamun Bessenshano, and also one some that and not Godfred the dummy as actual Katakoma General Legal Council. What you say one. Now, what kind or suggest my woman said according to the paper and said him sick. What's the near cost swinging at the same?
I think, sir, it's very unfortunate. Sir, your man never do the beer aid because issue by they are respecting the independence of the General Legal Council. Now, you say when you are dealing with independent institution, and you will and you patapa. And yet show of power. You negotiate with them, you deal with them. And I think say students know petition parliament no. They also petition the president. Into both parliament and president no should be more convincing. Either say you look at the petition, if there is merit in it, you appeal to the council. Say a bit to me now and it doesn't take the parliament to make an order, send a go for the Ekayano. But rather, this is an executive decision. The Minister of Justice, no, only the oversight responsibility over General Legal Council. And the minister, no, able to be a director, but even the directive to find out because the council operate an independent institution. It is very careful. Now, independence, no. Is interfered with impunity, then it's better say council no you feel na parliament and presidency mo law school na mo manage school no na mo students na there mo wi na ma market mo wi na ma call them to the bar. You see, because when you if an institution a mandate per the laws of the land, now there are not experienced but competent people are almost respectable. They know what they are doing. You don't direct them, or else they will resign in bulk. You see, especially when the institution is headed by the chief justice, another arm of government, and with eminent Supreme Court judges and prominent head of the Ghana Bar Association, who represents the Bar Association, and other eminent people. You don't just rubbish them. You don't just treat as if you don't know what they are doing, and who share the kind of political attack from the politicians on the General Legal Council, who share from civil society, some of them being lawyers, the attack on the General Legal Council, and the way they have destroyed their reputation and exposed them to public hatred and ridicule, and the way we disrespected the institution so much as if they don't know what they are doing, and as if legal education, we don't have managers, and therefore obia sorry BMU or obia mbembi you say you don't run an institution like that because sebi most of us parliament say obi make tremo dey say mo yamaka say and then that one sebi ya ba arrest mo member dey mo say hey parliamentary immunity. You are independent. Respect the constitution. Respect our procedure. And you accepted yourself and defended yourself. But when it comes to somebody's terrain, somebody's office, then Then you think that you can just go there and then bully them. And then you see, look at the posture of some of the MPs. It started.
Yes. Attorney General say President at throne. Per the President catch no so directly the Ghana Legal Council. The tone of the letter no sounds like a proposition to them. At the same power.
Media, President has no power. President cannot determine for the council. His executive powers don't determine how the council runs its business. The council has a statutory responsibility. They have rules and procedures. You see, and yes, what is going to happen is that anytime students make sure rest, is the president executive power will say, admit everybody. So then there's nothing like exams. If we will allow the presidency to be telling the council what to do, then what is going to happen is that the legal education should be at the doorstep for the presidency. More beyond the exams. The law school should be at the presidency office. And the president create a law school office. Now we know running the office by appointing lecturers, marking examination and all those things. You don't do that. You can suggest to them. Because you see, the Chief Justice is not somebody you can bully. Per the constitutional arrangement, so he has an institution which is powerful like your institution, the president. In fact, he's the only Chief Justice who can remove you from power. President Ronaldo, the president, the judiciary, you call election petition. You up smoothness level. You call election petition now that your mama will drag you call, He took the Supreme Court judges to give it victory. So don't think that maybe you are the president. Look, if Obi Sali a process before the Supreme Court, no, we just don't say the process, no, you don't deserve to be the president. That's the end. So we respect each institution. Let separation of powers, but let there be a limit to which one party, one presidential arm of government will interfere with the other. The same way, judiciary cannot determine what parliament does in parliament. They respect parliamentary decisions and parliamentary.
But according to a lawyer, according to Attorney General, no, what sure no has said, according to Article 106 of the Constitution, no, was say President had the mode of exercising legislative powers as enshrined in that article. And Sana watch it.
Your legislative powers, no. Executive powers are that way. You see, that is why we have problems in Ghana. When you want to give the president the power to do anything in this country, it's never done anywhere. The president has the mandate to run an institution. He saw the Ghana School of Law president too. He can appeal to them. But I can tell you, the council can meet on the issue and they can reject the president suggestion. And what will come out? The only institution, the only institution out of the three arms of government who exercises the what kind of final judicial power is the court. It's the court. President decisions can be challenged at the court. President orders can be challenged. When you say the Kakrao, it is if the General Legal Council comes out to say that look, President, we don't agree with you. The president must go to court. The Attorney General must go to court. The Attorney General can drag the General Legal Council to court and sue them. And then the judiciary will take a decision on that. Because you see, if the directive is coming from the court, all court orders must be obeyed. Failure to obey the court orders will be the best title for contempt of court, or it may lead you, even the president will lead you for the removal. If the Supreme Court make an order, say President evaluate the Constitution, it is Supreme Court will make an order for your removal. Court Constitution. It is if President Nado is not the court. He doesn't have judicial power. Per Article 1253 of our 1990 Constitution, the President does not have final judicial power. In fact, Article 125, 126, 127 says that no organ of government shall exercise final judicial power. Therefore, if there is a dispute, therefore, if there are issues of interpretation of the law, if the interpretation of the law told you that Odami, Attorney General Odami opinion matters when it comes to the Constitution. He doesn't have the constitutional power. It's the interpretation of the Constitution. Is the president of the Supreme Court. Democrat Odami says his interpretation, the way or not Article 106 as well. He should go to the Supreme Court and get better understanding. It's only opinion. President, but if the council position is that, the people feel. So therefore, we cannot set bad precedent. Per the exams we survived or we were related. The people have failed. Therefore, if you accept people who have failed, you set a bad example and a bad precedent, and then you bring people who have failed. Then next time when other people fail, they also petition the president. Therefore, then what is going to happen is that the court will not be people will not go to the court again. People will not have confidence in the court. Meanwhile, one leg of the matter is in court, and for the dummy, you are in court. You are in court. You are in court. The judge, you have appeared before the judge, and you are telling me that the President Ronaldo powers is more than the powers of the court. What constitutional crisis are we want to be? No, the President Ronaldo is a human right. He is a lawyer. He's a lawyer, so you should know better. Colonel should know better. So what they have done is suggestion. Any order. The council will meet. Only you look at other factors. One, dedicate the space. What's it? 499. The question that we have to ask ourselves there. There were no space and facilities, infrastructure to accommodate. Number two, do we have enough lecturers who are willing to lecture the additional 4,999? Number three, do we have the capacity, the volume of people there, Bano? Will there be quality? And number three, will the council have made adequate provision? And for example, there is a budget for NIPA 1,000. Now your capacity is 1,000. Now see 500 number. You now provide additional money. So now they will tell the president, well, so see no NIPA 4999 mbra. Now give us enough facility. Number one, within 3 months, see auditorium. I bet we take it 1,005. And then number two, my enough resources to pay the lecturers. Number three, my enough resources to provide infrastructures in terms of toilet facilities. In terms of canteen, in terms of when they say book stationery, so you don't just sit there and you think that it's easy to admit. Those who are managing the thing, meaning that is what need okayfm we studio off. Na studio no question. Na of when they say national NIPA about 1,000 about somewhere. When they say internship, no internship, no. Now to know, 1,000, no. Into no over NIPA 20. Now all of a sudden, I'm a competition. National Media Commission saying the constitutional right to be admitted or still work at okayfm. Now I say, hey, come to say, NIPA no buy no more or they qualify. Therefore, NIPA 1,000 you have to do. Does it make sense? You tell the person who is all making all that service. Yeah, they come and manage the studio. NIPA 1,000, you may be a home. Yeah, even the COVID arrangement, the president and Attorney General, COVID abba. It's the city arrangement, even at the lecture, is space. Yes, it's subject to social plan. So even the number of people that we can accommodate in a room, no more. You see, our presidency and the people who run this country, they tend to make us feel like there's no plan. Meaning, Must be a sorry cry here, Cocrano. Men call people more than 100 people.
I say when one better yet via Zoom any of the idea.
Hey, Minia, Zoom no, and a problematic. Maybe what data to be off. Obi okra let no mass presume. Like I just said, when you attend this, but Minia, we have a lot of internet and connectivity challenges. Oh yes, Zuma. Look, our legal professional, a full time, and a part time, a full time. You must be present to be seen. Yes, distance. We could have done distance, but it's easy to do distance education. Is distance education, but this is a situation. We want our students to be present. You see their face. You are training people to become lawyers. You want to see their behavior, and you'll be maybe not Zoom or to or yellow. You know what we say? Jesus Christ, Ghana, we have a problem in this country. So, if the public even arrangement, no, having that numbers in class, you know, open yourself up to contact COVID. And you know, even in this dispensation, you are reducing the number of everything. They say, you reduce the number of a year, you reduce the number of people go to church. You don't have student exams. National legacy catch will say, almost really, Namotiona, parliament, every year in the parliament in Kenya, corporate war, censorship. You may you if you who you use or say, so the budget member, or the budget background, young granted. Then President Kuto, we see, won't catch up as another. Oh, Timia, any MPP for Muntiemi. Munia Moya no Muti Ghana. No mama NDC in opposition is governing the country. They say NDC.
I'm not government. Now where they say NDC for us?
I don't know to the car say they will show government where the power lies. Have you seen the majority talking? It's the minority. Let my Mutaka say,
oh, but I saw on your fenyo market so come.
So the because the minority they can say they would mean here a federal case really can but the minority now more threatening more. They came out to say if government fails to do that, I don't know move motion for censorship. I think the majority move the motion. Number two, they have come out to say that they will not don't or see what or see the government in the budget by whether they were approved or not. I'm saying that the threat is coming from the minority. You see, but the problem is that you see the majority in parliament because what is happening right now is that if you are sitting down there and the bullying, parliamentary bullying in the air banner is coming from the minority, and then they are attacking anything that government is doing. They say no, the minority no, and started attack no we chief justice. So okay.
Aye.
Yes. Up to now, no, we proved the evidence. Then they attack the general legal counsel. Then they attack every governmental institution there is coming under attack. Can be tell they need to about it, but
OKFM 101.7.